Good morning, guys, and it is actually morning. It's 10 o'clock. I woke up at 8:30 today, trying to get up a little bit earlier. My face is red, by the way, because I've been going up and down the stairs. But anyway, trying to get up a little bit earlier than I have been, since I want to actually start getting up really early on Monday to run. So, also got up early though, and this is why I've been going up and down the stairs, because I want to get some stuff done. Yesterday, I basically sat around all day, and today I am doing a bit of I wouldn't call it deep cleaning, I guess random cleaning, not the normal dishes and stuff, those are done already, but the cleaning out the fridge, the freezer, and the pantry basically is what I'm doing. You know, that stuff that kind of doesn't get done on a day-to-day basis, basically. So that's what I'm gonna do. The nice thing about living in an apartment is pantry-wise, so much easier to clean up because there's less space, and so it's a lot easier than when I was living in a house in Arkansas. But there's a lot less pantries to go through. But so that's the plan. I already did my treatment, and I'm about to take Panda out before I start cleaning the pantry because he needs to go potty. And yeah, so that's the plan. Just kind of get some stuff done this morning. Let me tell you guys, it's going to be a struggle to get up early on Monday because I struggled getting up at 8:30 today. I was well, I set my alarm for 8. I was intending to get up at 8 and snoozed for 30 minutes. So maybe I need to buffer that in for Monday. But anyway, so I'd really like to get all that done within the next 2 hours. Be done by noon. And yeah, and partly also me and my brother bought this new game last night called Flashing Lights, and I'm kind of addicted to it, so I gotta really get the cleaning done so I can play that this afternoon and have all this done. But kind of doing it as a surprise for my dad. The pantries need to be cleaned out for a little while, and I want to do that before he gets home from work. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I might be giving the dog a bath too. It'll depend on how tired I am after doing this. So Panda, he might get a good bath today. He's not gonna like that, but he hasn't had a bath since April, and he smells so. So just gonna get some stuff checked off the list this morning, and hopefully maybe see if I can finish it in the next 2.5 hours. Well, that actually took a lot less time than I thought it would. It took only about 30 minutes, and now it is done. So now I'm gonna move on to the fridge, which there isn't a whole lot to do in there, but a little bit. Hey guys, so I got everything done in the kitchen that I wanted to do. I ended up bathing both dogs, so got a clean, shiny puppy drying off here, and a clean, shiny puppy drying off here. And pretty much almost made my goal. It's about 12:30, but I also took a shower, so I was done about 12, so that was nice. And now I have the rest of the day to relax and don't have to do anything. I swear you guys, I've only been coughing when I turn on this camera today. But that's one thing that I like about getting up earlier. I wouldn't consider 8:30 early, but earlier. Have a productive 4 hours, and now relax and enjoy the afternoon. So it actually said some rain was moving in. Doesn't really look like it. It's actually kind of blue skies, but even if it does, not planning on doing anything till tonight. So it's a good productive morning, and now a nice relaxing afternoon. I'm gonna eat now because I'm quite hungry. I haven't eaten yet. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say goodnight. My dad's gonna be home pretty much any minute with dinner, and so I just want to eat that and have this uploaded before then. And also my back is pretty much killing me. I'm not sure why, but I'm just choosing to ignore it for now. I spent the past 2 hours laying in bed and basically not moving, and that made it a little bit better. So I'm going to continue with that line of thinking and sit here and not move. But I had a pretty productive morning, so that's alright. And just gonna wait for dinner. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this or not. I got it for my birthday, and I absolutely love it. It's a little, not little, it's a Starbucks to-go thing, and I don't know, I just absolutely love it. You can't actually put hot coffee in here. It says for cold drinks only, but it works very well for soda, so having some orange vanilla Coke. And yeah, not much more to add on to today, but overall it was a pretty good day. It'd be better if my back didn't want to stab me every time I breathed, but I'm guessing it's something similar to what happened the night of my birthday. And so there's really nothing to do but wait it out. I mean, if it gets like excruciating, I don't know, but right now I can semi-function, so just gonna wait it out and upload this. So thank you guys so much for coming along on my day today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.